She said she don't wanna be me no more because I'm too toxic. That I'm about to meet, cause I'm popping and I got options. I'm in the stew with my niggas and they hot boxing. I'm whatever, we can get the shooting or we get the boxing. I'm been tryna run up this pay. Go get a bag, little bro, no, it is never late. I'm continue doing that until my last day. Every day I wake up and I pray. I really gotta turn my ways, I just seen real turn fake. They lied to my face like it was church, but it's okay, cause I ain't tripping, I'm just living. I be ballin' hard just like Scottie Pippen. Me and the gang in the fan, yeah, you know he tipping. I ain't talking basketball, but they stay bricking. Too much blues in my pants, you would think I'm crippin'. If they say it's up there, I'ma get the blickin'.
Going for the money over worse, so I'm a gosh, yeah. Nigga acting tough for the book, why you acting? One thing about me, you will never catch me lacking. Why you sacking and acting like I won't slap? Had to tell that hoe, give me a break. She want my money and them gold digging hoes, and I say my own told me that I made a mistake. So now I fuck him and leave him like I water on my face. Niggas so soft like some clothes, so I'ma make a fall. Niggas so sweet like some hoes, so they call it bro. From the NK, yeah, Atkinson is my fucking home. I turn up on these niggas that I love, bro, get them all. Niggas bum me teeth, orange like a tangerine. He want some fame, I'm like, why the fuck you asking me? I look at you, little niggas, I'm like, stop it. You need some game, little bro, because you so toxic.
She said she don't wanna be me no more because I'm too toxic. That I'm about to meet, cause I'm popping and I got options. I'm in the stew with my niggas and they hot boxing. I'm whatever, we can get the shooting or we get the boxing.
Wow. Hey man, I'm really whatever, man. Big bands, man. Shout out Kirk Kersey, man. For real. I ain't messing with no crow nigga or no blow nigga. I'm never lacking, nigga. I'm always packing, nigga. What's happening, nigga?